Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Grade 1's Kefas Bahta. I hope you are all well and ready for sabak. We're going to start with lesson 5 on page 17. So please take out your Qurans, make sure your hair is covered and sit up with respect. Before we start, let's begin with our morning dua. So put your hands together and let's start with our morning dua. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. يا إلهي يا إلهي يا إله العالمين اجعل اليوم سعيدا وكثير البركات واملئ صدرا شراحا وفمي بالباسمات وأنر عقلي وقلبي بالعلوم النافعات واجعل التوفيق حدي ونسيبي في الحياة اللهم بك أصبحنا وبك أمسينا وبك نحيا وبك نموت وإليك النشور آمين. Right, today we're going to start with our lesson 5, and in lesson 5, although we've already learned the letter ta and the letter dal, we're just going to quickly recap on those two letters. Right, can you remember in the story, ta was the boat with the two babies that were waving ta-ta. Right, now with the letter ta, obviously we know the line on top of the ta is known as a fatha. Fatha makes a sound, so ta with a fatha becomes ta. Now, with the letter ta, if you're starting a word, the letter ta can join. Okay, the letter ta can join. Remember when we need to join, we cut the word in half and we join it with the next letter. So, the letter ta can join in the beginning of a word. The letter ta can join in the middle of a word. That means it can have a letter before and it can have a letter after that is stuck to it. And the letter ta can end off. Okay. And then we're going to learn the letter dal. Again, the line that appears on top of the dal is known as a fatha. And dal with a fatha is da. And in the story, we remember the bowl of dal that mommy brought for him to eat. The bowl of dal. Remember? Dal. Now, with the letter dal. Right, the letter dal cannot join afterwards. Alright. Because if the letter dal is going to join, that's what it's going to look like. And that's something that we don't know. Alright, so whenever you see the letter dal, the dal will not join afterwards. There will be a space next to it. So for example, the word da, la, right? Da, la. Can you see that it's not joining? Okay, but the letter dal can join before. The letter dal can join before. So for example, if I'm going to take the lam and I'm going to join it to the dal. There we go. La. Da. Now it's joining. Alright. So the letter dal can join before, but it cannot join afterwards. If a letter appears after the letter dal, it will be separate from the letter dal. Okay, let's begin with Ta'awudh and Tasmiyan. We're going to go over lesson 5. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now in your Qurans, lesson 5. Okay, let's just get my finger there. Ta with the fatha, ta. Ta. Natta. Ratta. Fata. Wata. Mata. Lata. Jata. Da. Remember the bowl of dal? Da. Ba-da. Ya-da. Fa-da. Na-da. Sha-da, la-da, ja-da, ta, ta-ja, ta-sha, ta-ya, ta-ma, ta-ba, ta-wa, ta-ra, da, da-la, da-na, da-fa. At the bottom of page 17 here, you're going to write today's date, which is 30th/06. At the bottom of lesson 5, page 17, write the 30th of the 6th month. That is your sabak for today. Please, I want you to go over your surahs as well. That is Surah Fatiha with the meaning, Surah Ikhlas with the meaning. Okay. And then after that, I want you to go over your du'as. Make sure you're revising over your du'as every day. Also, to remember to open up your hadith links and go over your hadith also. I'll see you people tomorrow inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.